Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I have a long list of foods that are known to pair well with oats. And I've got them broken up into different categories in hopes of helping you out. So if you're looking for something a little bit different to do with oats, hopefully this will give you some ideas. In the protein and the nuts and the seeds category, we've got almonds, cashews, chicken, believe it or not, eggs, nuts in general, pecans also, pork, seeds in general, but especially flax seeds, pumpkin, sesame, and sunflower seeds, and also walnuts. In the vegetables category, I have one listed here, and it is celery. Now that's an interesting combo to me, but anyway, celery is known to pair well with oats. In the fruits category, we have apples and apple juice, apricots, bananas, berries, especially blueberries and raspberries, coconut, which we know is a drupe, but I listed in with the fruits, dried fruits like cherries, cranberries, currants, dates, figs, peaches, plums, and raisins, fruit juice in general, also oranges, peaches, pears, plums, and raisins. Long list, and we know that fruits go well with oats any day. In the way of other grains and grain products, we know that oats work well in baked goods, and they also work in breading, like if you're breading chicken or pork chops, something like that. In the milk and non-dairy milk categories, we've got butter, buttermilk, cheese, cream, milk as in dairy milk, and milk as in non-dairy milk, especially almond, coconut, hemp milk, rice, and soy milk, and also yogurt. In the other foods categories, we know that oats blend well with honey, kefir, maple syrup, molasses, oil, especially coconut oil, flaxseed oil, safflower oil, and sesame oil, salt, vegetable stock, that's interesting, and sugar, especially brown sugar. Well, I do hope this helps you out and gives you some ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.